Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Industry, Commerce and Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw is demanding that farmers look beyond the sugar industry. Speaking at the opening of the Isratech branch in St. James yesterday, Mr. Shaw argued that the sugar industry will never be able to make the economic contribution it used to.
You cannot sit down and continue to rely on an industry that is a couple of 100 years old in Jamaica, the sugar industry. Have land laying idle in St. Catherine, Clarendon, some areas of Westmoreland, Trelawney, all lying idle waiting on the promise of sugar to come back. Sugar is not going to come back to use the volume of idle land that we have in Jamaica. Let me make that abundantly clear tonight.
Mr. Shaw argues that there are other crops with a higher demand which should be given the underutilized resources being hoarded in the sugar industry.
I met with the Sugar Company Holdings of Jamaica last week, and I met with them again this morning. We have hundreds of applications from farmers all across Jamaica who want land to produce other things other than sugarcane, because they have recognized the market that exists for a lot of things other than sugarcane.
The minister's comments are counter to his recent bullish statements on the viability of the sugarcane industry. Wisynco has announced plans to construct its own 2-megawatt energy plant. The plant will be built at the company's Lake Spence and Catherine location and will run on liquefied natural gas (LNG). Wisynco says construction of the plant will take about 8 months to complete. It's estimated to cost $300 million with an investment payback period of 3 years. The company has contracted New Fortress Energy for the gas installation and the provision of the LNG. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $133 even. The Canadian dollar closed at $102.57. Sterling went for $175.04, while the euro ended the day at $155.31 on average. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in November went down by $1.64 to settle at $70.98 a barrel. The JC index gained 4,143 points today, while the junior market index lost a point. Stocks posting gains today include 1834 Investments, Access Financial Services, Blue Power, Carib Cement, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun and Indis Pharma. On the losing side were Caribbean Cream, Derrimont Trading, Elite Diagnostic, General Accident Insurance, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Wolves, Lasco Manufacturing and Paramount Trading. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.